Um, Welcome back to my channel. Whoa! Jesus Christ! Oh no, 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 no. Let's fucking try this again. My umbrella almost got wrecked, but I managed to salvage it. One part broke though. Jesus! I'm going now to the dentist. Got a dental appointment, but afterwards I'm gonna go around to go and look for my dear good friend Rob's birthday present, and I'm gonna go to all of these shops and try and find something cool for him, and maybe find some stuff that's cool for myself as well. I don't know, just to cheer myself up from this like horrid weather. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring you guys along. I hope you enjoyed, despite the fact that Glasgow is experiencing probably one of the worst cold seasons ever. I'm so done with it, man. I'm so done with it. Hope you enjoy all of these spots. They're really cool. You can find all kinds of stuff like Pokemon cards, Kidrobot, designer toys, Funko Pops, you name it. Like, you can get, it's not going to be as cool as America or Japan, but it's cool enough for us in Glasgow, yeah? Let's go! That was Static Games, and it's pretty cool. You know, you can find a lot of like Pokemon cards, individual Pokemon cards, if you're interested in like growing your collection, and you know, if you're interested in expanding your knowledge and experience with different types of new board games. They actually have tons of different really cool Kickstarter type board games, and also, you know, stuff like Catan. But I usually go there to get to grow my Pokemon card collection and look for really cool cards like the Misty Trainer card. So that's gonna be nice. Now it's sunny. I am done with this weather. There's like 4 seasons in one day. I found like two nice things that I could potentially get for Rob. I'm not entirely sure though if you will like it, because one of it is the PS1 wallet, and I think that's like such an amazing gift if you're a gamer that grew up with PS1 and you know you need a new wallet because it's useful. But what if you didn't grow up with a PS1? Then it's so irrelevant. I'll have a think, but I'm gonna go to the next shop and see if there's anything there. The funny thing about the shop is there's like random indoor trees, anime on the wall, and you've got Totoro. Totoro is here with me, having a coffee. I just noticed that those are Cardcaptor Sakura slippers. Oh no! Still no success finding the perfect gift, so I'm off to the fourth spot, the manga store. Excuse me, nobody told me that Cardcaptor Sakura was coming back in town. This wallet is amazing. Okay, so I've kind of failed at the manga store. I found a Lucario plushie that Rob might like, but I'm gonna keep that at the back of my mind until I find something that's very perfect. I know Rob would like the Lucario anyway, but I'll keep it in the back of my mind in case I do find something better at Forbidden Planet. But if not, I'll just head back and get that Lucario. I've succeeded in getting Rob a really nice gift. I'm really happy with it, and it's three vintage comics, Spider-Man comics, because he loves Spider-Man, and they're a three-part comic, so it's really nice. And I also got him a little like random gotcha Spider-Man thingy. So hopefully he gets a Spider-Man, but they're all characters from the Spider-Man series. Hopefully you like it, Rob.